Hi guys, it's me, Mr. Codebaker. Today I'll be showing you how to make a guess the password game in Swift. So first off, we will get this. Then we will start coding by deleting everything in the VStack first. Then we'll make a state property, which means it can change over time. Then answer, which will equal an empty string. The reason why I put an empty string is the answer will be storing what would be like what the text is saying and what we put in. So then we'll make a text guess the password. As you can see, let me show you this. We have a large one, so we're gonna put it large. So then we'll put in a dot font, dot title, just a title, and then we'll put in text field. We'll put in type your guess, and then after resting we will put in text, will be the value by storing then what we typed in, answer. If we typed answer, then yeah, it will be like saying what you typed in. So then we'll do on submit value when we enter. Then we will probably put in like if answer equals something like word say. So I'll put in var word would equal 1 2 3 4 5 6 on submit. So then on submit, if answer is equal to word, then we will put in probably text or print, since it's not confirming to review, it's confirming to a if. So then we'll print well done, you guessed it. And then if answer dot first is equal to word dot first, then dot first, then we will put in we'll print first is correct, and then we'll put in another if answer dot last is equal to word dot last, then we will put in print last is correct. So that's the on submit. But remember, there's a glitch happening with me. Yeah, there's a glitch happening with me. If that happens, if it doesn't glitch for you, that would have worked. So then I'm just gonna put in a bunch of boxes to make like the like basically like the thing. I'll just call it like the box, the logo. So I'll put in a V stack. Then inside I'll put in an H stack. Then I'll put in rectangle. I'll put in dot stog dot frame width 50 and height 50. Copy it, then keep pasting it 5 times. And 5. Then we'll make another H stack. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. H stack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. H stack again. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and a 5. This is my last one. Pass outside. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then I have 5. So then I have like a square at the bottom. Then I think that's it for today's video. See you next time, guys. Bye.